How to earn $50,000 online in Nepal. You heard it right, $50,000 in Nepal. If we put hard work and determination, we can achieve this goal while in Nepal too. How? Let's go through it. Top 7 profitable ideas are here to set you out. Let's get started now. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all our viewers in Nepal and beyond. We'll be discussing the top 7 profitable ideas to earn $5 online from the comfort of your home. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
Number 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. Whether you're a talented writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a gateway to clients worldwide. You can offer your skills and services to people in need and start making money online. Number 2. Online content creations. Next on our list is online content creation. Whether you prefer vlogging, blogging, or podcasting, sharing your passion and expertise can attract a global audience. With consistent and engaging content, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 3. Online courses and ebooks. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Why not create and sell online courses or ebooks? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are excellent places to share your knowledge and earn a passive income. Number 4. Dropshipping and e-commerce. For the entrepreneurial minds out there, consider starting an online store using the dropshipping model. You can sell products without holding inventory and ship them directly from the supplier to customers. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into e-commerce. Number 5. Virtual assistant services. Busy entrepreneurs and professionals often need assistance with their tasks. By offering virtual assistant services, you can help them manage schedules, emails, and administrative work. It's a win-win for both parties. Number 6. Stock photography and videos. If you have a flair for photography or videography, why not turn it into a profitable venture? Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to sell your work to a global audience. And now, last but not least, we have Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an ingenious way to earn commissions by promoting products or services. You can become an affiliate for various companies and earn a percentage of sales generated through your unique affiliate links. There you have it, our top 7 ideas to earn $50,000 online in the fall. Remember, success in any of these ventures requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. Choose the one that aligns with your skills and interests and start your online journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Until next time, take care and happy earning. Namaste.